my bifocals, window shopping at the Gucci. Don't really want it, they just can't have it, especially as an artist.
People like we know that have their own shit, or like photographers, right? When they pull up, if we could get them to come to us and then put their like little like photographer.
Alright, what up? We are downtown, Midtown. Streetwear Truck. These two guys. But this is so noisy. All these cars. About to get hit. No, I'm kidding. About to get hit, bro.
That's an XL. I'd like to take a picture with. Yeah, we're getting 916 cut. See that? We're on the barbershop right around.
Yeah, that's what he's telling us, man.
What you guys got up in here?
Check it out. They got everything.
Razor Sharp. Yeah, I know Razor Sharp. My brother is the owner of that shop. Yeah, he comes through. We just opens out. Yeah.
Shout it out, man.
Oh man. Ooh, what am I? Hold on. Let's start
Shout out the shop, man.
What is it called?
Oh no, not this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
916 cuts. Come by, man. Get a cut. J. Fuck with us, man. Brian the barber right here.
Be the barber, baby.
Come through. 21st and J. Second Saturday is gonna be lit.
Hey, made another sale. Shout out to them. I don't even know his name. Hey, shout out to you.
916 cuts.
Shout out to them, but I got your card. Shout out to Dave, bro. Shout out to Dave for the shirt.
It's lit.
I might have to get cut by him. I'm not cheating on you, Chris. My other barber. Hey, we're about to move the car. Oh, it was really bright. We're about to move the truck though, huh?
Yeah, over there. See if it's good or not.
Yeah, there was just a farmer's market there, but everyone's clearing out and we're about to park over there.
Alright, man. Thank you. Bye.
Real